Hello, uh, here's the video to set up the AdSense and Google Sheets and the Python files all together. So the folder I'll be sending will have three Python files. These three Python files: AdSense util.py, generate report, and get all accounts by. And here we are on the Google Cloud, and we will also need to create a Google Sheet. And now we need to create a new project, and here we need to click here and create new project, naming this project as AdSense, and location leaving it as before, as default. And now I'm selecting this project. Okay, and the project name should come up here. It means this project is selected. Okay, then we need to go to uh, APIs and services. You can just type and it will appear here. And then we need to enable APIs and services. Click here and click type AdSense and enter, and two results will come up. One is AdSense Management API and another is AdSense Host API. So we need to click AdSense Management API and enable it. And status is enabled. And next we need to add another API, that is Google Sheet. And next we need to create some credentials. We'll be creating two credentials basically. One is for authorization with your Google account, and another one is will be for Google Sheet. So first we need to click on the OAuth constant screen. Here we'll be creating a app, and then we'll be creating credentials. So I'm clicking on the OAuth constant screen, and user type external, create app name James, app supporting email is, you can choose your one, and developer email contact address is here, and save and continue. Just leaving it as default, test user leaving it as default, summary okay, great. And we need to launch this app, and then when you click here again and publish app, confirm. Okay, and next we need to go to credentials. Need to create one service account and one client IDs. So first I'm creating OAuth client ID, So let's try. So let's create auth client ID, and application type is desktop app, and then app Adsense app. Anything, you can name it anything. And you will get this screen, and just click download JSON file. Okay, and next let's create, you will see the client ID here, the one we created. Now let's create service accounts. And I'm just loud, just adding the client, I mean service account ID. Other things I'm just leaving it as default. Cloud ID. Just refreshing the page. Let's try again. Clicking service account. Adsense cloud, create and continue and done. And here is the account, and we need to add this account to Google Sheet, and also we need to download some keys from here. Let's just copy this, and from details we need to click on keys and add a key, and type JSON create, and it got saved on your computer. This is the key. Alright, this is pretty much we need to do with our AdSense. So now let's copy paste, let's create a Google Sheet. And let's name it AdSense data, and we need to mention this file name into our Python code. I'll show you why we need to paste it. I'm just adding the service account email address here, and as an editor, and send. And I'm just copying this name. No. You can name another option we have, that is copying this ID, like after spreadsheets /d/ then copy all this long number till edit, before edit. So just copy it. Okay, now let's I'm using Visual Studio Code, and I'm opening the folder where these three files will be stored. and I'm just clicking on the generating report, and I need to paste the Google Sheet ID and to Google Sheet ID in here, line 56, and save. And then we downloaded two files. That is Adsense, these two files. Let me just confirm, yeah, these two files, and we need to paste it on the folder where the other three files are stored. I'm just pasting it, and we need to rename it. We need to rename client secret file as client secrets, rename, and this file as creds. Done. And next few things, depending on your computer, uh, you might need to install some libraries. So these are the list of libraries you need to install. Maybe you need more, you will get to know when you will run the file. So I'm just copying this, and on the terminal I'm just installing it. These are already being installed on my PC. And after installing these first two libraries, I'll just check it's working or not. So let's just open Python module, and I'm trying to import one of the library, that is Google API client, and it didn't showed any error, so it got loaded. So alright, and other libraries you need to install as well. These already are being installed on my PC. So first I need to, after installing all the libraries, you need to run this get all accounts py. This will connect your AdSense with this app, with this system, and you need to allow it. So I'm just running it with control F5, and it took me here, and I'm selecting the account. Authentication flow has completed. You may close the window. So it worked, and it replied with my account ID and name. So it worked. So, and another file got added, that is adsense.dat. So it means things is working fine. The authentication got got successfully. So at the end you will have 3, 4, 5, 6 files. And now let's just run the report, and I'm on the generate report, and F5, control F5, and here if you go further on the 88 line, you will get to see the metrics that the data will be pulled. And another thing, this file will run every every minute basically. You can just customly set it up. And here you can see it's 1 minute here. So let's just wait for a few minutes, and I'll show you when and how it will looks when it works. Basically, when it will run, you will get to see a dict type file here. So just after within 30 or 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute, it worked, and you can see the class dict came up. And now if you go to Google AdSense, I mean Google Sheet, you'll see these files came up. And another thing, that is how you can set the time, like the duration. uh, here is it here is it the start on the 86 line. Start date is mentioned as 23 to 2023 month 1, start date 10, and end date is today, has been stated, so you can adjust it accordingly. And now from now let's go to the Google Data Studio. Let's just create a report. And to connect the data, just type sheet here, or Google Sheet. Here's the Google Sheet, and I'm selecting the AdSense data, sheet 1, and add. And here it came, and I need to change metric to page views. And where is it? We can just change our chart to time series chart, and this is how it looks. Started from Jan 10, and we are on Jan 23rd. Alright, this is it. Let me know how it works on your end. Thank you.